This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Greg Horvath. The current owners built this home in 1989 and are now offering it for sale. This 3-bedroom 2-bath wood frame home has room to grow. Last month they replaced the hot water heater and a brand new metal roof was installed in November 2021. The island in the kitchen can be relocated within a moment's notice. All rooms have wood floors and ceiling fans. The mounted TV in the living room as well as the surround system and speakers stay. This property sits on just under a quarter of an acre with plenty of room for your boat or outdoor toys. Deep water well and septic system means no water or sewage bills to pay. This property is located on a quiet street, no HOA. Schedule your appointment today. The washer and dryer in the garage do not convey. For more information, review the details below or contact Greg Horvath at 813-477-5332.